Ground, good evening. Cirrus 79 Kilo Whiskey, information Victor. Looking to taxi runway 29er.
Cirrus 79 Kilo Whiskey, San Luis Ground, runway 29er, taxi via Alpha.
29er via Alpha. And is there any chance we can pick up flight following back to Van Nuys with you?
Cirrus 79 Kilo Whiskey, at what altitude?
We're going to go back at 7,500, 79 Kilo Whiskey.
Cirrus 79 Kilo Whiskey, Santa Barbara departure frequency 127.72, squawk 4621.
Departure is on 27.72, squawk 4621, 79 Kilo Whiskey.
And St. Louis ground, Cirrus 724, Tango Tango, just letting you know we're switching the ground and taxiing to the self-serve.
All right, let's roll back to Van Nuys. The tower is close. This is a part-time tower at San Luis. So we are on the CTAF frequency. We announced our departure. We're going to get all our lights on now. Getting dark out here. Final is clear. Fixture, lights, camera, fullest tank, recirc is off, action. On 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 full power. Alright, let's watch these instruments. Airspeed is alive. Fuel flow power is good. For 71, up she goes. Tap on the brakes. Alright, we're above 85 and positive rates and above a 50-foot obstacle. Flaps 0 selected and verified. Pitch for VY.
$600.
Caps available. San Luis traffic, Cirrus 79er Kilo Whiskey, turning left crosswind runway 29er. San Luis. Alright, and clear. Coordinated here. St. Louis traffic, Cirrus 79 Kilo Whiskey, turning left downwind now, runway 29er, San Luis. 7,500. Let's be cognizant of the airspaces here. We're good to go. Let's hit our checklist. Climb power set, flaps is up. Selected and verified. Mixture looks good for now. Watching our oil temp, oil pressure looks good. And fuel pump is on for the climb. Santa Barbara reports good evening. Cirrus 79 Kilo Whiskey, climbing 2.3 for 7,500 out of San Luis Obispo.
Number 79 Kilo Whiskey, Sunflower departure right there. 79 Kilo Whiskey, radar contact, a mile and a half southeast of San Luis Airport. San Luis, altimeter 2995.
2995, 79 Kilo Whiskey, thanks. All right, in the climb we go. All right, like I said, San Luis, great airport. My first time in here, never been here before. It was very pleasant. The restaurant was nice. The service at the restaurant was awesome. We came in as they were getting ready to close up shop, and they were still nice and accommodating nonetheless. There were still quite a few people in there as well, though. Yeah, great scenery around. Much cooler than the Southern California basin right now. It's just been crazy hot. So trying to escape and take a quick flight up north. That's the place for you. It's pretty nice. I mean, Santa Barbara's great too. You've got Santa Maria. Santa Maria, I was supposed to go there a number of times between, gosh, over the last year or so. We had a couple of California Red Tail events that we were supposed to do that got canceled twice, primarily because of weather. So we just never made it up there. But that one is another one definitely on my list. But yeah, man, it's great coming up here. Love it up here by the coast. Heading back to Van Nuys now, looking good. Yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys have been out there flying yourselves. For my aviators out there, those of you that are pursuing your tickets, whatever it may be, private all the way up to ATPL and whatever else you're working on. Keep at it. SimWorld is in a remarkable place right now, man. There's no doubt in that. You can't be bored. Let's put it that way. We've been talking about that recently. Like every week there's a new product, whether it's hardware, an airplane, scenery, whatever. It just keeps dropping, man. Keeping everybody on their toes, and can't be bored. Flight Sim has come a long way, a very long way, and I'm thoroughly enjoying it, as should all the other enthusiasts out there. So we're leveling out. As we get closer, we'll turn the cameras back on, see what we can capture, and we'll talk to you guys then.
Your VFR descent for traffic.
Expect descent 79 Kilo Whiskey. All right, let's bring this power back.
And 5582 X-ray, contact Van Nuys Tower, good night. Over to Tower, good night. November 79 Kilo Whiskey, contact Van Nuys Tower, 19-3.
19-3, see ya, 79 Kilo Whiskey.
See ya. Develop.
Van Nuys Tower, good evening. Sir, 79 Kilo Whiskey, 3500 over the Warner Center, information, Charlie.
Cirrus 79 Kilo Whiskey, Van Nuys Tower, information Delta 2, just go current. Wind 1108, Van Nuys altimeter 299 train, no other significant changes from Charlie. And a right base 116 right, number 3 following a Bonanza, a little over 5 miles ahead of you, no factor. And 16 right, clear to land.
All right, copy you all, 16 right, following a Bonanza, 16 right, clear to land, 79 Kilo Whiskey.
79 Kilo Whiskey, now number 1.
Now number 1, it's 16 right, 79 Kilo Whiskey. Final still clear.
Sport Cruiser 6 Bravo Julia, traffic 11 moved to 12 o'clock, 3 miles eastbound, sending out a 4,600 indicated Boeing 737.
Gas,
Caution wake turbulence. You number 2 following the Cirrus 3 mile final. Runway 16 right, clear for the option.
Traffic, number 2 for 16 right, clear for the option, 6 Juliet Bravo.
4130, we're going around.
Altitude.
41380, understood. Did you want the big runway?
Yeah, we'll take the big runway. We appreciate that. 4130.
41380, understood. Make right, close traffic. Number 2 following the Cirrus 2 mile final. Runway 16 right, change to runway 16 right, clear to land.
All right, 16 right, clear to land. Number 2, make right, close traffic. Behind the Cirrus. 4130.
And we can make this runway.
Number 3 following Cherokee, just went around for the west pattern.
Flaps 100% coming out.
Clear for the option.
And we're slowing.
Cherokee 41380 for sequencing and spacing as soon as practical. Turn right to the downwind.
Looking good, instruments looking good, speed looking good, coordination looking good, altitude looking good. 2 whites, 2 reds, 16 right,
Cherokee
clear to land.
41380 as soon as practical. Turn right to the downwind.
Sorry about that. Turn right to the downwind 432.
November 6 Juliet Bravo, traffic 12 o'clock in, 1 mile, low, maneuvering 1,500 indicated police helicopter, they'll pass below you.
6 Juliet Bravo.
6 Juliet Bravo traffic, 12 o'clock and 4.5 miles, turning right to the downwind Cherokee, you're number 3 following them, and 130 at 8, runway 16 right, clear for the option.
3 following that traffic, 16 right, clear for the option, 6 Juliet Bravo.
We got that displaced threshold here. Wind is pushing us a bit, let's correct.
Minimums.
Continue. All right. Power idle, bleed off speed, keep her coming down. Correct with the airline here. Keep her coming down. And we're good.
Van Nuys Tower, Piper 84015. Any chance you can get 16 left at full stop?
Cherokee 015, runway 16 left, clear to land. If you can make golf, I could just depart you from 16 right at golf. Just an option. Be advised.
All right, 16 left, clear to land. We're going to try to make it at golf 8405. Yeah, we can do that.
Cirrus 10 Kilo Whiskey. See you tuning right there at hotel. Text the northwest corner via Alpha. Y'all take care.
Northwest corner via Alpha, 79 Kilo Whiskey. Take care, man.
4130, we're clear to land 16 right.
I'm sorry, Cherokee 41380, was that calling?
41380 is, are we number 1 for 16 right?
Cherokee
All right.
41380, affirmative, sir. You're number 1, runway 16 right.
Ice lights coming off, flaps are coming up.
All right, we got the Cherokee
Fuel pumps
inside,
coming
and
off,
we're
lean the
to
mixture. The rest of these lights can stay
clear.
on. Taxi clearance is received. We're staying with him over to the prop park. All right.
Cruiser 6,
That was fun.
Bravo, spin down and I'll call the base.
That was fun.
radio call it by 6 Juliet Bravo.
First night flight in the Cirrus. I enjoyed that. Didn't intend for it to be a night flight. I was hoping to get back like sunset-ish, but we plan for these things. We made sure we checked the weather, although it did look a little questionable with the marine layer creeping in there on our way out, but it held offshore.
All right, so 015, looks like you can make golf. We've got traffic on about a 3/4 mile final Cherokee. I'll get you going behind them. Hold short runway
We're good.
right.
We're going to wrap it up here. I appreciate you guys tuning in as always, and you know how it goes. Keep the blue side up, and we'll see you next time. Take care.
Time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love, show me love.